Welcome to another The Pink Stuff review. Today I'm going to show you how I get this pot looking like this with burnt on food and burnt on marks at the back, and I'm going to show you how to get it to be as clean as this. So please do stick around to the end of the video and see how I do it. So the pink stuff, this is going to be the product that I'm going to be reviewing, and as you can see, I think I've reviewed it on a previous video. Go check it out and see how I used it on the kitchenware. So basically the pink stuff, it shows you the directions of how to use it at the back. It's very simple. I'm not using any gloves on it because it doesn't burn me, but I would advise that you use gloves on it. Again, it explains how to use it, how to open it, and yeah, it's 99% natural ingredients, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used it a few times already, so check out my other videos and see how I use the pink stuff. So today we're going to be using it on this metal pot. It's got some burnt on grease, burnt on food, and I'm going to try and see if I can restore it back to its original color of silver. Yeah, so this is my metal scourer. I just dipped it in a bit of water, and I'm just going to dip it inside the pink stuff. Yeah, and it's quite an easy use basically. Just dip it in, and just a little bit of the pink stuff goes a long way really. So you just spread it along the pot like so. It starts to bubble. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and you get to see it work, see the paste working. Just bubbles up, and then it just shows you, that the paste is actually working. I'm just going to scrub it a little bit and just really use a little bit of finger power, a little bit of hand power into that, and hopefully, we get to see how it's working. So I'm going to zoom out, and you can see the burnt on grease is literally on the edge or in the line of the pot. So I'm really going to focus all my energy around that area. As you can see, just got my metal scourer with that little bit of the pink stuff that I dipped in. This is how well it's actually working. Yep, so I'm just going to really put a little bit of finger action in here, and hopefully I won't have to use quite a lot of product. I'm just going to see if this amount of product is going to be useful. So I'm going to turn the pot around and really try and focus on the burnt on grease side. As you can really see, like, it really is in the crevices, is that even a word? Right in the corners inside the pot. So I'm really trying to make sure that I work the paste into it, and yeah, it does require a little bit of effort to really get the burnt on food off, but so far my fingers are okay. Like I said, just does take a little bit of effort, but not too much. The paste is not making my fingers feel any funny, so it's alright currently to use without gloves. So I'm just going to quickly rinse this off and see how far it looks. Yep. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are finding these videos to be super helpful. Yeah, it would mean a lot. Subscribe and like it. So yeah, this is what it looks like after the first attempt. I'm just quickly giving it a dry up. So as you can see, most of the burnt on grease has literally come off, especially like in the middle of the pot. There's still a bit of burnt on grease left on, especially around the edges of the pot. So I'm going to go back again and dip in my pink stuff with my metal scourer, and I'm going to add a little bit more of the paste this time to see how much it can remove. So I'm just going to again start on the edges of the pot, like I said, the areas that are really most affected. But yeah, I would probably advise you to wear gloves if you've got really sensitive hands, but for this one, because I've used it for so many times, it's never really affected my fingers or my hands. But yeah, do try and use gloves on it. You know, it does actually give you the directions of how to use it at the back of it. So it's really it does actually caution you not to use on plastic, on acrylic surfaces, but you know, do not use on hot or warm surfaces. Sorry, do not use on hot or warm surfaces, and do not apply too much pressure on glass and ceramics, as it might scratch the surface. So this is why it's really perfect for things like pots. And yeah, I really love this. It's one of my favorite Star Drops products. Yeah, so again, looking back at the pot, you can see it turns a little bit grey. I guess it's just showing you that that's how the product works. It's no longer pink when you started it. It's now a little bit of a grey colour. But yeah, I'm really focusing all my energy on the edges of the pot, because I really want to see if I can get that burnt off grease off. So just put a little bit of effort. But yeah, everything works really well with this Miracle Cleaning Paste. I highly recommend this paste. It's fantastic, and I've seen so many great results with it. But like I'm trying to show you right now, I'm trying to get around the edge of this pot, especially like I showed you the burnt on grease that does come on, you know, but when you use a pot and cook for such a long period of time, and sometimes you don't really get to get the dirt off. So, you know, because we get busy, or you just quickly just wash it. But I'm now just gonna rinse and see the results. So let me know in the comment section below if you've used the pink stuff and what your thoughts about it are so far. But yeah, so I've rinsed the pot, and this is what it looks like now. As you can see, majority has literally come off using the paste. I'm so happy with this. If you look again on the edges of the pot, majority of the grease on the burnt off food is officially come off, and I'm really pleased with that. Like, I'm just going to zoom in again. You can have a look. It's not 100% perfect, but it is a lot better than what it was before. Like, honestly, I'm sure you can see yourselves. It's absolutely shining. Absolutely shining. And it looks almost brand new. You can't really tell that there was burnt on food until you really, like, I mean, it's not that much. It's only a few bits that are left. I'm sure if I was to really give it another go, most of it would go away. But I'm really pleased with the results that I've got so far. And yeah, I'm sure you'll probably get the same results also if you use the pink stuff. Definitely try it out on your pots and pans, and yeah, I can't wait to see your results, guys. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you've used it, the pink stuff, the Miracle Paste, the Miracle Cleaning Paste, and stick around for more videos of me reviewing the pink stuff. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos or reviews of the pink stuff. Alright, thank you. Bye.